Welcome to today's video. Are you ready to create stunning CGI-style animations using artificial intelligence? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to transform your ideas into mesmerizing animations quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or someone curious about AI tools, this video is packed with actionable tips and tools to make your animation dreams a reality. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Writing a compelling story using ChatGPT. 2. Designing unique characters with Leonardo.Ai. 3. Enhancing and customizing visuals through Canva. 4. Animating characters effortlessly with Hailuo.ai. 5. Adding the perfect soundtrack using YouTube's music library. 6. Editing and polishing your video using CapCut. 7. Finding the ideal voiceover with ElevenLabs. Stick around as we dive into each step and reveal secrets to achieving professional quality results in minimal time. Creating any animation starts with a great story, and ChatGPT is your ideal partner for this. Begin by brainstorming ideas or themes you want to explore. Use prompts to guide ChatGPT into generating creative narratives tailored to your vision. Whether it's an epic adventure, a heartfelt drama, or a fun, lighthearted tale, ensure the story aligns with the animation style you want to achieve. Once you have the storyline, refine it by breaking it into scenes or acts for better structure. Remember, a clear and concise script lays the groundwork for everything else in the animation process. Lastly, save your script in a digital format for easy reference during the next stages. Next up is character design, the heart of your animation. Leonardo.Ai simplifies this process with its powerful image generation capabilities. Start by describing your characters in detail, including their appearance, personality, and role in the story. Experiment with different prompts to generate multiple options and choose the designs that best match your vision. Leonardo.ai is particularly useful for creating high-quality, unique visuals in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Moreover, you can utilize pre-existing images from various websites to save time and effort. Depending on your story, you might choose to incorporate fictional, historical, horror-themed, family-oriented, or other types of characters to fit the narrative. Once you finalize your characters, download the high-resolution images and organize them according to their roles in the story. This streamlined approach ensures you're ready for the animation phase. Alternatively, you can use FreePic to create your images. However, given that Leonardo offers more readily available options, I decided to use it for time efficiency. Once you finalize your characters, download the high-resolution images and organize them according to their roles in the story. This streamlined approach ensures you're ready for the animation phase. With your characters ready, it's time to refine them using Canva. This versatile tool allows you to tweak your images, remove unwanted backgrounds, and even add green screens for seamless integration later. Canva's intuitive interface makes it easy to adjust colors, textures, and details to align with your story's theme. For added depth, consider layering your characters with custom backgrounds or textures. Canva also lets you create visual elements like title cards or transitions that enhance the overall presentation. Save all edited visuals in a compatible format to ensure smooth animation in the next step. Animation is where your characters come to life, and Hailuo.AI makes this process incredibly straightforward. Start by uploading your character images and selecting animation presets or styles that fit your story's tone. Using a simple prompt, describe the actions or emotions you want your characters to perform. The AI processes the input and generates smooth, lifelike animations in minutes. Review the output and make adjustments if needed to ensure consistency with your narrative. This tool eliminates the need for complex software or technical expertise, allowing anyone to produce professional-grade animations with ease. A great animation needs a captivating soundtrack, and YouTube's music library offers an extensive collection of royalty-free tracks. Browse through genres or moods that match your animation's vibe, whether it's adventurous, mysterious, or cheerful. For short videos, consider using trending music to capture more views and engagement. Once you've selected the perfect track, download it in high quality and sync it with your animation. Adding sound effects where appropriate can also heighten the emotional impact of key scenes, making your animation even more immersive. Finally, bring your animation to life with a professional voiceover using ElevenLabs. Browse through the extensive library of voices to find one that best matches your animation's tone and style. Input your script, fine-tune the pitch and speed, and generate a high-quality voiceover in minutes. For a more personalized touch, you can adjust the emotions and delivery style to align perfectly with your characters and story. Once done, sync the voiceover with your animation in CapCut for a polished and engaging final product.
You've done Lumina proud! The Orb of Eternus will restore the wards and keep us safe. But remember, this is only the beginning of your journey.
Editing is the stage where all the pieces come together, and CapCut is an excellent tool for this. Import your animated clips, soundtrack, and any additional visuals into the platform. Use transitions, filters, and effects to create a cohesive and visually stunning video. CapCut's user-friendly interface lets you experiment with different styles without getting overwhelmed. Don't forget to add text overlays or subtitles to improve accessibility and engagement. Keep the pacing smooth and balanced to maintain viewer interest throughout the video. Once satisfied, export the final video in high resolution. Congratulations! You now have all the tools and techniques needed to create professional-grade CGI-style animations using AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and let us know in the comments what kind of animation you'd like to see next. Happy animating and see you in the next video!